The future of drone warfare has arrived, and it's taking to the skies from Turkey. The Anka-3, a cutting-edge stealth drone developed by Turkish aerospace industries, has completed its first firing test, marking a monumental leap forward in unmanned combat technology. This tailless, radar-evading drone is poised to redefine how Turkey engages in modern warfare. The Anka-3's sleek design isn't just for looks, it's built for stealth. The absence of a traditional tail section reduces its radar cross-section, making it harder for enemies to detect. With a wingspan of 12 meters and a max takeoff weight of 6.5 tons, this drone is designed for both speed and agility, reaching altitudes of 44,000 feet while carrying up to 1,200 kilograms of weapons. But what truly sets the Anka-3 apart is its firepower. Equipped with 7 weapon stations, it can carry an impressive range of payloads, including missiles, bombs, and electronic warfare systems. This latest test proves its capability to unleash precise strikes while remaining undetected, a game-changer for both air-to-ground and air-to-air combat missions. This is the result of years of dedication by Turkish engineers, from its unveiling in 2022 to its first flight in 2023. The Anka-3 has been developed with one mission in mind: making Turkey a leader in unmanned aerial combat. Powered by a Ukrainian Ivchenko AI-322 series turbofan engine, it can cruise at speeds up to 425 knots, putting it on par with some of the most advanced combat aircraft in the world. This isn't just about firepower. The Anka-3 also excels in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. With advanced electronic warfare capabilities, it can jam enemy systems, provide real-time battlefield data, and suppress enemy air defenses, offering a versatile tool for modern military operations. The Anka-3 is more than just a drone, it's a symbol of Turkey's growing strength in defense technology. As the first tests wrap up and this drone moves closer to full operational capability, the future of combat is changing before our eyes. Are you ready to witness the next era of unmanned warfare? What do you think of the Anka-3's capabilities? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest in military technology.